Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can register for Kingsborough summer classes. Alright, so let's begin. First, head over to your Google and go to the official website of Kingsborough. As you can see, CUNY Summer Session, who can take the summer classes at KCC. Currently KCC students, previously enrolled KCC students, new applicants including incoming freshmen, transfer students, and visiting students who take a class between semesters at another college. You will get some information. You can read through this first if you'd like to get more information regarding this Kingsborough summer classes. Once you have read it now, just tap on Apply Now. As you can see, it says you belong at KCC. Here, you can schedule a visit. You can request info, you can contact us, or you can tap on Apply Now. Okay. So now just apply in this section. You can read through this also. So now tap on Apply Online. So how to apply? We want to know college experience and the rules. You can scroll through all of this. And then tap on CUNY application. Here, just tap upon Start Your Application, and you will be on this page. Here, you have to select in this category like, I would like to apply as a freshman applicant. So as you can see for freshmen, there are two options to tell you. If you read all this, you'll be able to know more. Choose up to 6 choices on one application. Choose from 2 years and 4-year degree programs and etc. Read all through this freshman apply concept to application. Here, select freshman application for example. Okay, then tap on Next. You will be landed on this page where you have to enter your username and password. Now quickly, if you are new user, quickly head over and register. Then you complete your application. Just follow through every prompts on their website. Then just once you are done, then you finish your application and you'll be contacted regarding the next step which to follow on the website. So that's basically how you can register for Kingsborough summer classes. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.